This drum was a bit of a happy accident. The tank that I built this drum out of was severely pitted and rusted out, and it turned out that after I sanded just a little bit, I went through the tongue on the ding there, and that lowered this note down to a B flat. And if you know anything about tongue drums, you can replace the D on a D Kurd with a B flat, and it actually sounds quite beautiful. So I'm looking forward to playing this one for you in contrast to the other ones. So this is the happy accident. This is the D Kurd with the B flat on the ding, and it's a lower note on the ding, and instead of being an octave of the D here, it's an octave of, or I'm sorry, being an octave of the D, D's right there, it's an octave of the B flat. So this is the scale. So I really like the result of having a B flat on the ding over the D. It makes the whole drum feel a lot softer, a lot dreamier. It's just a really pleasant sound. Overall, a gorgeous looking instrument. I mean, it looks like it was, it's an ancient artifact, you know. I really dig this D Kurd with the B flat ding.